Welcome to our channel Accord Medical. Today we will show you the demo of Acco Mini Tense Machine 2 channel. It comes with a carry bag and complete accessories. Before we start the demo, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start the demo now. You have to plug the machine, attach wire and pads, place the pads on the affected area. This is channel 1, this is frequency, and this is channel 2. Set the frequency as per your requirement. Increase the intensity of channel 1. Set the intensity as per your requirement. Increase the intensity, channel 2. Once the treatment is completed, switch off both the intensities. You can also buy this machine online from MedicalBazzar.com. The link will be given in the description below. The demo is completed. Thank you.